Hey loves, welcome back to another episode of Soulful Sunday with Jeremie on lacomidadejeremie. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a recipe for my vegan donut bites, as well as my vegan delicious French toast that I love to make so much because it's just a perfect brunch meal. Friday was actually National Donut Day, and I shared this photo with you guys and asked you guys if you guys wanted a recipe for it, and many of you said yes and messaged me and asked me when I was going to be posting the recipe. So I wanted to quickly upload this for you guys, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how to make my vegan French toast. These recipes are just perfect for a Sunday brunch when you wake up pretty late after a nice Saturday night out and you just need something to give you that extra push, that little bit of sugar that you're looking for. And this is just perfect to get you going for a nice Sunday and just the perfect start to your day. So first, let's start off with the French toast. Alright guys, so this is what you'll need. We're going to start off making the mixture to dip the French toast in. So we're going to start off with milk, vanilla, and cinnamon. We're going to whisk that all together, and this is what we're going to dip our bread into, and it's just going to give us that nice cinnamony, milky flavor that French toast usually has. You want to get a loaf of bread that's pretty thick and just cut like thick pieces, because the bread gets really soggy when you dip it into this mixture. Since there is no eggs in it, you want to get a bread that can hold the liquid and not get so soggy when it's cooked into the pan. So we're just going to heat up a pan with some olive oil, and then we're going to put our French toast right on there to get toasty. And we're going to serve this up with some powdered sugar glaze, as well as some syrup. And guys, this is just so good. You need to try this recipe. I like to pair this French toast with fruit and just syrup and deliciousness. It's just so good. If you eat it plain with fruit or whatever you top it with, it's just really good, very filling, and you're going to enjoy it. So I hope you guys try that recipe out. So now I'm going to show you the recipe that you guys have been waiting for, the recipe that you guys came here for. It's my vegan donut bites, or my vegan donut holes. These things are so good. You guys are going to love it. And many of you guys probably think that I made the dough myself, but I didn't. I actually used a tube of croissant rolls. A lot of the times people don't know that these tubes are vegan. If you look closely to the ingredients, they're vegan friendly. They're just not promoted as vegan. So if you guys are interested in looking for a dough that's quick and not expensive, take a look at your local stores like biscuit dough, croissant dough, or even like pizza dough that comes in the tube. A lot of the times they're vegan friendly, and they're gonna make your life so much easier, which is what I plan to do, because you guys know I want to share recipes that is easy for you guys to make. So today we're gonna be using croissant rolls to make donuts, and they're so delicious. So let's get into this recipe. Okay, so here's what you need for the donuts. For the dough, I'm gonna go ahead and fold every edge, make sure where it's cut is just like blended together so that when I'm cutting it, the donut doesn't fall apart. I actually ended up folding it as well, kind of like how I do my biscuits. This just gives your croissant dough like an extra something that you're looking for in the donut. It just gives it extra texture. It's pretty amazing. So I just cut it up into small pieces, roll it into little balls. And then we're going to go ahead and dip those little balls into cinnamon and sugar, and this just gives it a nice little texture when it's air frying. But then we're going to go ahead and re-dip it into the mixture when it's hot, so it has a little bit more bite to it. Now for the ones that are actually fried in oil, I dip them in the cinnamon sugar afterwards because it has oil on it, so it's easier for it to stick to it. Chocolate tastes like a hot chocolate because I used hot cocoa, vanilla, some powdered sugar, and some milk, and it just has like a yummy just hot cocoa chocolate milk flavor to it. And then I dip that into another bowl with some actual chocolate chips melted and mix it all together, and it just has a nice different kind of flavor to it. So you just dip that into the chocolate and the sprinkles, and it will harden by itself on its own. Just leave it and set it aside, and it will do its magic. Now for the glazed donuts, you're going to want to go ahead and pull out your powdered sugar, your milk, and a little bit of vanilla. Not too much vanilla because it makes the glaze turn dark, and also you can add more sugar if you want a thicker consistency. Then we're going to go ahead and dip our donuts into that and set it aside to cool off. If your donuts are too hot, it's not going to stick, so make sure your donuts are a little bit cooled down. So this recipe makes 3 different donuts. You have cinnamon sugar, and chocolate and sprinkles. Okay, so there you guys have it, my 2 delicious brunch recipes. Nice sweet treats that's just gonna make you guys so much happier on a beautiful Sunday when you just need that nice pick-me-up. I hope you guys try these recipes out. They're super duper easy. Share them with your friends and family. I'm sure they will love them. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in today. If you guys try these recipes out, make sure you post them on Instagram and tag me at lacomidadejeremie. And also be sure to check me out on lacomidadejeremie.com where I post all of my recipes. Be sure to subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Nos vemos pronto. Bye!